I'm Michelle Long, and I work for FIRST, a worldwide organization made up of hundreds of thousands of kids just like you. And you are going on a field trip that will be amazing. You're going to experience the FIRST Championship in downtown St. Louis. What is it? Well, imagine over 15,000 kids from all over the world coming to one place for 4 days to celebrate their hard work and teamwork, their research projects, and their team-designed robots. And of course, have a lot of fun. FIRST has programs for kids from age 6 all the way to 18. Teams of kids your age participate in FIRST LEGO League. On your visit, you'll get to see some of these teams in action and meet some of the kids who are competing in this year's FIRST LEGO League World Festival at the FIRST Championship. Before we tell you more, let's answer some questions.
What's FIRST? For inspiration and recognition of science and technology.
An international robotics program that introduces kids of all ages to the excitement of STEM learning.
STEM? Science, technology, engineering, and math.
FIRST was started over 25 years ago by an inventor named Dean Kamen, who invented the famous Segway transporter. He wanted every kid to understand and have fun learning about technology. So he formed a partnership with one of your favorite toy makers, LEGO.
FIRST LEGO League is made up of teams of kids ages 9 to 14.
Kids like us!
Each team can have up to 10 members.
Each season, FLL teams are presented with a challenge that has a central theme,
taken from real-world scientific topics,
like transportation, climate, energy, and biomedical engineering.
Teams are judged on a challenge that has 3 separate parts:
a project, a robot game, and how well teams demonstrate the FLL core values.
The project asks teams to identify a problem that needs solving, research it, and come up with an innovative way to solve it.
Then present and share what they learned with others.
In the robot game, teams design, build, and program an autonomous robot.
That means that the robot does things all by itself,
built from LEGO parts.
Robots earn game points by completing a series of missions on a playing field. Teams are also judged on their robot's design.
As teams work on and present their project and get ready for and play the robot game, they're judged on how well they practice FLL core values.
More on that in a minute. This year's FIRST LEGO League Challenge is called FLL World Class, where kids were asked to explore the many ways we all learn things and invent some better ways to help us do that. In the project part of the challenge, teams created a learning question, like, how can we help kids learn about gravity? Or, how can we improve the way kids learn a new language?
Bonjour.
Over many weeks, they all do research and brainstorming to come up with a solution to their question. And that's where the fun begins. Teams are also expected to share their solution with as many others as possible. At organized events, teams present their solution to a panel of judges. It can be in the form of a skit, a video, a rap song, or whatever the teams can dream up. When you see teams doing their presentation, they're trying to explain their project in a creative way. And here's the part that's really fun to see: the robots. Every team must design, build, and program a LEGO Mindstorms robot that can perform a set of tasks on a special playing field. The more tasks the robot can complete, the more points the team gets. Here are just a few of the missions each robot must complete. Open a classroom door. Activate a simulated search engine. Throw a ball into a goal. Operate a robotic arm. And get a bright idea from a box. The more missions completed, the more points a team earns. Earlier, we mentioned core values, things every team must use and practice during their season. So, what are they?
1. We're a team!
We respect and build on each other's contributions and ideas.
2. We do the work to find solutions.
Our coaches and mentors only provide guidance.
3.
We all learn together.
Our coaches and mentors don't have all the answers.
4.
We're good sport. We honor the spirit of friendly competition.
5.
Discovering is more important than winning.
Winning is fun, but learning new skills is even more fun.
6!
We all share our experiences.
We're happy to share what we learned along the way with everybody.
7!
We practice gracious professionalism.
We learn and compete like crazy, but treat each other with respect and kindness.
And cooperation.
We're good competitors and good partners at the same time. 8!
Our most important core value of all,
We have fun!
The first LEGO League teams that do really well in all 3 parts of the challenge, the project, the robot game, and core values, move on to regional competitions. And over 100 of those teams are invited here to St. Louis in April for the first championship. Seems like a lot of work, doesn't it? It is. But as every team member will tell you when you meet them, it's also the hardest fun they ever had. So that's a little explanation of what you're going to see on your trip. You'll probably also get to see some cool robots built by high school kids. Remember, the first championship is loud, hectic, and a little crazy. Pay attention to your leaders and be sure to stay with your group at all times. It's a big place and it's not hard to get lost. Before you go on your trip, you can try some of the special activities we've prepared to help you learn a bit more about FIRST. Try them on your own at home or with your class. We bet you'll have fun. We can't wait to welcome you to the first championship. After your trip, we hope you'll be excited enough to want to join an existing team or start one of your own where you live. Your teacher or school administrators can help you do that, so be sure to ask. See you at championship. We know you'll have lots of fun. Bye! Wait! I almost forgot. Everyone on your team will receive a commemorative badge that will allow you to enjoy some other special St. Louis learning opportunities. You'll learn more about this when you come. Okay, bye now.